Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a verification Discord channel. So let's start. First, open your browser and search me6.xyz. In this page, click add to Discord. If you're not logged in your Discord browser, it will ask you to sign into your Discord account. Once logged in, press authorize. Here, click setup. In this prompt, make sure that you've selected the correct server. After selecting, click continue. Here, you can make some adjustments, then scroll down and click authorize. After that, verify that you're not a bot. Next, you will be directed to the Mi6 dashboard. Go back to your Discord app, and as you can see, Mi6 bot is now in my server. Now, let's make a role so that the members who verify will receive that role. Go to server settings, then click roles. Here, click this icon to create a role. Let's name it verified. Next, pick a color for the role. Then after that, click save changes. Make sure that the bot's role is above the role that you just created, so that the bot can give that person the role. After that, close settings. Now, let's make a verified channel. Click this plus button to add a channel. Make it a text channel and name it verified. Then click this button. After that, let's edit the permissions of this channel. Click this gear icon, then click permissions. Here, we first need to set up the channel permissions for everyone who is unverified. Make sure that this is set to everyone. And here, we just need to disable and enable some features. For example, let's enable view channel, disable manage channel, and disable manage permissions. You can choose any feature you want to enable and disable. Next, set up the permissions for the members who are verified. Click this add button and click verified role. Here, we will enable these features: view channel, manage channel, and manage permissions. Choose what permissions you want to enable. After that, click save changes and close settings. Now that all permissions are ready, all we need to do is set up this Mi6 bot. Go to Mi6 dashboard. Look to the menu at the side and click reaction rules. Here, click this new reaction role. In this page, you're going to set up the role for verified users. First, select the verified channel in this drop-down box and enter the reaction role name. Next, scroll down and let's change this message template to "Please click this emoji to get verified." Scroll down again and go to Reactions and Roles. Here, click this Add Reaction button, and you can choose what emoji you want to use. For example, I'll choose this emoji. Next to that, click this plus button and choose the verified role. After all of that, scroll to the top of the page and click Publish. You can see that it has been published in your server. If I go back to Discord and click Verified Channel, you'll see that it is published here. So, to get verified, click this emoji, and as you can see, it gave me the verified role. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to make a verification Discord channel, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.